everybody. I'm here for a quick unboxing. As you can see, I had something come from Foxy Fix. Excuse me. And you can also see it's one of the small boxes. And it might have something to do with this little guy right here. I've been using this. It is a Foxy Fix in the Wanderlust. And it doesn't have pockets. It's just a single piece of leather with a single strand. And I've been using this for my wallet for almost 2 months now. And I can't believe I said it, I've switched from the passport size to this, the number 0, or the micro size for my wallet. That's just a Taroko design writing board I cut down. So let's take a look and see what we have in this box. All I did was cut the tape here with my scissors. Oop. There's fuzz coming out already. Let's see what we got. And let me get my tea out of the way. Oh, for those that are asking, I just poured it. And today's tea, if you can see, is a Harney and Sons, and it is the green tea with coconut. Something I got for the husband. And I got a little bit of a scratchy throat today, so I thought I would give it a try, because I'm trying to stay away from too much caffeine in the afternoon. So, okie dokie. So I got 2 of their business cards. You can freeze the screen and read that. Now, this is a new sample to me. It's called the Spice Latte. Ooh. I don't remember this color being released, or if it wasn't one of those that came and went so fast, but I like it. Oh, look. Surprise. We have a little gift from us to you, made from beautiful leftover pieces of leather. We hope you have a wonderful day. Sincerely, the Foxy Fix team. This is the Wanderlust in the butterscotch leather. Same leather family as this, just this is black and this is a dark brown. And this is one of their coasters. I've been using this Foxy Fix coaster. It's that cherry I can't remember the name, cherry chocolate leather, I think. But now I have another one to add to it, and this one will definitely be very durable because it's the Wanderlust butterscotch. Okay, so the reason we are here, okay, so I ordered another dashboard for it because I wanted another dashboard. And this is what the bags look like. Even, I got some leather samples the other day in the mail that I didn't unbox because it seemed silly to unbox a leather sample. Even the leather samples came in a cute little bag like this that was about that big. So, let's get all the worms, the wormy worms, out of the way, and let's see, I'll get that shine out of the way too, what we have in here. I ordered this not too long ago, actually, and let's see. Oh, look how beautiful. This is a micro. You can see it is the same size as this, in the cedar leather. Oh, wow. Look how pretty. So it has a reinforced spine. See that? It has 4 elastics. So that lets you know that it is just, you know, a standard width, but it has the 2 crisscross pockets. I do have one notebook in this leather. Here it is. I have a pocket rings in this leather. I got some old Cocoa Daisy stuff from the summer in here. And of course the pocket rings has that little pocket there. But I love the leather, and I wanted to get a micro, but one that had the back pocket, but one that was a little bit sturdier of a leather than the Spice. I did have a Spice in the micro size, in the, what was that color? Pepper, in the pepper. And it was a beautiful notebook and it was made so well, but I was just afraid I wasn't going to use it because, you know, I want to use it as a wallet, and this is going to be so much better for me, I think, because it'll be perfect. So, I can't show everything that I have in my micro. Let me take a few things out. Let me pull all that stuff out of there. So this stuff will probably get cut because I'm not on screen and I don't want to share my personal informazione. Okay. There we go. The other thing is, where did I put that notebook? I did make a notebook. Ah, da. Это я. Извините, пожалуйста. Это моя книга для Foxy Fix. Sorry. I've been studying and practicing my Russian, and that was just a horrible pronunciation. But I took the things out that I had in here so I can show you how I'm planning on using this. Okay, so let me first deconstruct. This was my Foxy Fix in the Wonderlust, in the single leather. And in it, I had a calendar, a dashboard, which I would stick cash in, a notebook, and this. This is a Chic Sparrow card holder, and it has 6 pockets. And I think I did an unboxing when I got this along with the Nano. And oh no, it's ripping. Well, that's a bummer. See, look. Does that mean crap. Well, that sucks. I didn't have it that long. Y'all saw that happen on camera. I'm kind of bummed about that. Are the others okay, or are they gonna come off too? Anyways, so I can take the cash out of there. So these are the things, the items that I had in this tiny little piece of leather, and I love this leather. It's one of my favorite leathers, and it smells great, but I wanted to get something a little bit thinner. So what we're going to do is we're going to put my monthly calendar there. We're gonna put my, sorry, one of my neighbors came home and you can hear her bark, her dog's barking. This is one of my notebooks. I had to call Office Depot for something about my account. Here is another dashboard, which I don't have anything in. And then I was going to include this, but I'm not sure if I am anymore because it's not looking too good. And so that was what I was going to include. But I don't think I'm gonna need this anymore because I've got these pockets here. And I just happen to have a little bit of cash on me, not a lot. 5, 10, like under $30. And this is going to fit perfectly back there. And I have this writing board, which I made from taking a Taroko design writing board and cutting it down. And we have one more thing. I think it's in my bag. This is a Filofax pen that I got quite a while ago. So that way I can carry a pen with it. And there you go. So this right here is going to be, I'm still bummed about that Chic Sparrow insert. I spent money on that. So there you go. This is gonna be my cute, tiny little wallet that I take everywhere with me. And then when I need my bigger calendar, I'm going to be taking my beautiful Lush Black Beauty that says Queen. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will link Foxy Fix for the little micro, and that's it. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.